For more than 20 years, Mainmark has led the world in developing some of the most advanced and accurate solutions for rectifying ground engineering and asset preservation problems. Building on our experience of correcting foundation ground issues and our knowledge of unique local conditions, Mainmark has introduced Teretek, a proprietary state-of-the-art engineered resin injection solution that utilises an injection delivery method perfected by Mainmark to raise, re-level and re-support buildings and other above-ground structures. Teretek is a unique two-in-one solution that delivers both ground improvement and re-leveling and comes backed by a 50-year product warranty. It increases ground-bearing capacity, fills voids and can mitigate soil liquefaction, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional underpinning and ground engineering methods, and with no detrimental effects on the environment. Mainmark technicians strategically select a number of injection points under the structure. In a process similar to keyhole surgery, the work is typically carried out through 16mm diameter tubes, reducing to as little as 6mm in diameter if applied from inside a building or home. As the resin is injected, the ground starts to compact and strengthen, and the structure begins to raise back to level. The process is non-invasive and there is minimal disruption and no excavation. Building occupants don't need to move out and businesses can continue to operate throughout the process. Resin injection is extremely quick. Most house re-leveling and slab lifting takes less than a day, and concrete driveways and slabs can be driven on within hours. Teretek is suitable for application across a broad range of buildings and assets. Commercial, industrial and residential. Mainmark strengthens and stabilises weak ground to correct moving and sunken driveways, pavements and floors, and reduce cracked walls. Civil and infrastructure. We re-level and re-support concrete slabs and pavements, roads and bridges. We can also fill holes, voids and abandoned pipes to keep those areas safe. Mining and resources. We stabilise stacker reclaimer rails, conveyor belt supports, tanks and machinery to minimise safety risks in mining operations. Mainmark has developed and perfected its unique and proprietary deep lift process for ground improvement and structural re-leveling. Utilising this flagship method, we inject one or more of our Teretek engineered structural resins beneath the sunken sections of the affected construction or structure, filling any voids encountered to maximise ground support. Then, from deeper underground, we lift the structure or construction, as conditions allow, using the controlled force generated by expanding resin, giving two processes for the price of one, which is up to 30% more cost-effective. With our void fill method, we inject Teretek resins beneath or into the construction of concern, filling any voids encountered to re-establish ground support. It may also be used for arresting water movement, filling abandoned utilities and other man-made voids. Teretek is suitable for regions experiencing seismic activity. As a liquefaction mitigation process beneath existing structures, it improves and strengthens the ground to address subsoil densification. With application via a low carbon footprint process, we use a sustainable and responsible solution that focuses on rehabilitation and preservation rather than repair or replacement. Teretek resins are environmentally inert, don't affect groundwater, soil quality or local wildlife. Teretek Resin Injection Solution, the most advanced way to improve ground-bearing capacity and re-level structures, exclusively offered by Mainmark, leaders in advanced ground engineering and asset preservation technologies. Call 1-800-623-312 in Australia or 0800 873 835 in New Zealand to speak with one of our representatives today.